America is home to 4.2% of the world's population, yet we had nearly 20% of the COVID deaths.
Kennedy is dead set on making it harder for children to get vaccines, and that kids are going to die because of it.
Senator, you've sat in that chair for how long? 20, 25 years, while the chronic disease in our children went up to 76%, and you said nothing.
A confidential memo inside the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has sparked a huge fight in America. In a 3,000-word internal note, head of the FDA's vaccine division, Dr. Vinay Prasad, alleges that no fewer than 10 child deaths reported in recent years were after and because of COVID-19 vaccination. The memo, first obtained by NBC News, immediately rattled Washington. But within hours, vaccine experts warned that the note relies heavily on unverified VAERS entries, data that the system itself cautions may be incomplete, inaccurate, or unrelated to vaccines. Prasad's memo claims the deaths may be linked to myocarditis, but provides no medical histories, timelines, or peer-reviewed evidence. He accuses the FDA of years of dishonesty, labels vaccine mandates coercive, and even suggests officials who disagree with him should resign. Experts reviewing the document say it omits essential context and misrepresents how VAERS functions. Still, the language inside the memo and the fact that it comes from a senior FDA official has fueled a political firestorm. The timing is even more contentious. Prasad's memo lands just days before a major CDC advisory meeting on childhood vaccines and amid a separate highly charged move by U.S. Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy. In an interview with the New York Times, Kennedy said he personally ordered the CDC to revise its long-standing statement that vaccines do not cause autism, despite decades of scientific evidence rejecting such a link. Public health specialists say the Kennedy intervention and the Prasad memo together create a moment of extraordinary uncertainty, not medically, but politically. For now, the FDA has not published supporting data. The memo has not been peer-reviewed, and the details, the ages of the children, the medical conditions involved, the clinical evidence remain undisclosed. What's left is a combustible mix, an internal revolt, a controversial health secretary, and a national debate suddenly reopened at the worst possible time, just as federal regulators prepare for decisions that will shape the next decade of U.S. vaccine policy.